Hello dear students and teachers, welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll see key answers for state level SLC preparatory exam conducted by SLC board, that is KSEEB, for the subject mathematics. Students, if you analyze the paper is quite easy. Just you need to practice the model paper and the preparatory paper. Based on those, if you practice the questions, definitely you can score good marks. And also do subscribe the channel. I'll be posting the worksheet based on this model paper and preparatory paper, and also join my Telegram group. I'll be posting my PDFs or documents or worksheets in my Telegram group. The first main MCQ, for the first question, the answer is option C, A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. That is for unique solution, that is intersecting lines. Students, hopefully you have the question paper with you. I'll be just explaining the answer. The sum of n terms of positive odd numbers is, that is the correct answer is option D, Sn equals n square. For question number 3, the quadratic equation in the following is, that is the correct answer is option A, x square minus 3x plus 2 equals 0. Fourth question, A equals 30 degree, then value of sine 2A, that is 2 into 30 is 60, therefore sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Therefore the correct answer is option B, root 3 by 2. Fifth question, the distance of the coordinates from the x-axis, we have to take the y coordinate, that is 4 units. The correct answer is option B, 4 units. For the sixth question, the intersection of less than and more than type ogive gives median. For the seventh question, the area of triangle ABC is to the area of triangle AD is 1:4. Just you need to square the corresponding sides. 1 square is to 2 square, that is 1:4. Then eighth question, the CS of frustum of cone is what? Pi R1 plus R2 into L. Now moving to second main 1 mark questions, that is the ninth question. For the condition C1 is not equal to C2, that is we can say that the lines are parallel, that means no solution. 10th question, given A17 equals, the condition is the 17th term is equal to 7 more than the 10th term. Applying the nth term formula, we get D equals 1. And simplifying, and given sin A equals 3 by 4. For the 11th question, what is cosecant A? Cosecant A is just reciprocal of sin, that is 3 by 4, we get 4 by 3. The coordinates of midpoint of the line joining the points A of x1, y1 and B of x2, y2 is P of x, y equals x2 plus x1 by 2, y2 plus y1 by 2. State basic proportionality theorem, that is Thales theorem. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct point, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Given we need to find out the length of semicircular arc, that is length of an arc is 2 pi r. Since it is semicircular arc, 2 pi r divided by 2 will get pi r. Length of semicircular arc is pi r. Pi value is 22 by 7 into 7 by 2, we get 11 centimeter. 15th question, formula to find out surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. 16th question, given we need to find out the length of side of cube, given volume is what? 64 centimeter cube. We know that volume of cube equals length into length into length. Now L cube equals 64, L equals cube root of 64, we get L equals 4 centimeter, that is the length of the side is 4 centimeter. 2 mark question, that is the first question, solving a pair of linear equation by elimination method, adding equation 1 and 2, plus y minus y will cancel out, 3x equals 18, x equals 18 by 3, x equals 6. Substitute the value of x in any one of the equation, we get y equals 2. Or question, we have to represent the statement in the linear equation form, that is the difference of two positive numbers is 26, that is x minus 6 equals 26. One number is 3 times the other, that is x equals 3y, x minus 3y equals 0 in standard form. 18th question, find the 15th term of arithmetic progression 3, 8, 13. First find out that a, common difference, and n. Therefore a15 we need to find out using an formula, and substituting the values we get the 15th term is 73. Now moving to 19th question, given for the given AP we need to find out sum of 20 terms. A equals 2, D equals 5, N equals 20 using Sn equals n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Substituting the values we get sum of 20 terms is 990. Moving to question number 20. Students, many of the questions what I have done in my channel are repeated, so do practice all the questions. Hopefully you can score good marks in your exam. Moving to question number 20. Given the quadratic equation, finding discriminant delta equals b square minus 4ac, a value is 3, b value is minus 5, c is 2. Substituting it we get delta discriminant or delta equals 1. Since delta is greater than 0, we can say that the roots are real and distinct. Or question, given the quadratic equation kx square plus 6x plus 1 equals 0, a equals k, b equals 6, c equals 1. Condition roots are equal. When the roots are equal, discriminant delta equals 0, that is b square minus 4ac equals 0. Substituting the values we get k equals 9. Repeated question, finding the roots of the quadratic equation by formula method, that is by using quadratic formula, x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Substituting the coefficients a, b and c, we get x equals minus 1 plus root 33 by 4 and x equals minus 1 minus root 33 by 4. These are the roots. Moving to next question, in the given right angle triangle we need to find out sine p and tan r. With respect to angle p, opposite is 1 and hypotenuse is 2. Therefore opposite by hypotenuse is 1 by 2. With respect to angle r, opposite is root 3, adjacent is 1. Therefore tan r equals root 3 by 1. Question number 23, finding the distance between the points 2, 3 and 6, 6. Using the distance formula, d equals what? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We get d equals 5 units. The distance between the points is what? 5 units. Moving to question number 24, division of line segment. Very simple and easy construction. Dividing the drawing the line segment 8 cm and dividing it in the ratio 2:3. First we need to add the ratio and cut the number of arc. 3 more question. 25th question, we need to find out the sum of all the multiples of 4 between 10 and 250. First, the multiples between the 10 and 250 are 12, 16, 20 and so on. The last term will be 246. How to find out 248 is the last term. The last number is 250. From you divide 250 by 4, we get remainder 2. Remainder as 2. Now 250 minus 2, we get 248, the last term. Now we need to find out the number of multiples, that is the value of n. Using nth term an formula, if we need to find out the value of n, then we should use the Sn formula. Sn equals n by 2 a plus an, or Sn equals n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. For both the formulas you will get the same answer, that is the number of multiples is 60. The sum of 60 multiples of 4 between the 10 and 250 are 7800. Students, I'll share this document in my Telegram group. Question number 26, given the condition is a plus b equals 90 degree, then we need to prove that cos a by 1 plus cos b plus 1 plus cos b by cos a equals 2 by cos a. Just what you need to do is take LCM or butterfly method, cos a into cos a, cos square a, plus same problem I solved, but the condition here is complementary condition they are given. 1 plus cos b into 1 plus cos b, we get 1 plus cos b whole square. Now 1 plus cos b into cos a as it is, cos square a using a plus b whole square formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now given condition is what? A plus b equals 90, b equals 90 minus a. Now substitute only here. Now cos square a plus 1 plus 2 cos b plus cos square 90 minus a. Cos of 90 minus theta is sin theta, therefore cos of 90 minus a becomes sin square a. Now cos square a plus sin square is what? 1, using identity 1. Now 1 as it is, plus 2 cos b. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 and 2 taking common, we get 1 plus cos b divided by 1 plus cos b into cos a. 1 plus cos b, 1 plus cos b will cancel out, we get 2 by cos a. Otherwise you can replace b by 90 minus a in the first step itself. You will get the answer. Next, very simple question. Just you need to substitute the values of standard angles and simplifying. In the denominator it is of the form sin square theta plus cos square theta, so that it becomes 1. Cos 60 value is 1 by 2. Secant 30 is root 2 by root 3. Tan 45 is 1. Now simplifying, we get the RHS as 67 by 12. LCM is 12. Find the value of k when the points are collinear. When the points are collinear, we can say that the area of triangle equals 0. What is area of triangle formula? I told you, when the 3 points are given, you should use the area of triangle formula. That would have given the condition the points are collinear. When the points are collinear, what we can say? We can say that area of triangle equals 0. That is 1 by 2 into 0. Cross multiplication, it becomes 0. Substituting the values x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3, we get the value of k as 4. Another question, finding the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the point 4, minus 3 and 8, 5 in the ratio 3:1 by using the section formula. P of x, y equals mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Substituting the values of x1, y1, x2, y2 and the ratio 3:1, we get the coordinates of point P as what? 7, 3. Finding the mean, very simple, easy question. First step is finding the class mark, then multiply fi xi. We get sum of fi xi is 1485 and sum of frequency is 55. Mean equals sigma fi xi by sigma fi. We get 1485 divided by 55. We get mean equals 27. Next, our question is finding mode. Finding mode of the given data. Mode equals L plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2 f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. That is, f0 is 4, f1 is 8, f2 is 6 and the lower limit value is 7, and that is of the modal class. That is the highest frequency class corresponds to what's modal class. Substituting all the values, h is the class size, that is 4 minus 1 or 7 minus 4, we get lower limit is what? 7. Substituting, we get mode equals 9. Less than type ogive, directly you can plot by making the points. Directly you can point, you will get the graph like this. Just plot 50, 2, 55, 10, 60, 22. The important thing is where it scale. 70, 74, 75, 100. Very simple and easy question for 3 marks. Circle tangent theorem, many times I have discussed this question. You can write the theorem as a test here. Very important and simple construction. Construct a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 3 cm which are inclined at an angle 70 degrees. The first step is draw a circle of radius 3 cm. Now the angle between the tangent is 70, but angle between the radii is 180 minus 70, we get 110. So draw an angle which corresponds to what? 110 degree. Then draw tangent at the end points of this radii, so that the angle between the tangent will be what? 70 degree. Question number 32, we need to find out the length of arc AC and area of sector OAC. Given radius is 20 cm and the angle is theta is 60 degree. Length of an arc is given by the formula theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Substitute the values of r, theta, we get length of an arc is 22 cm. area of sector is what? Theta by 360 into pi r square. Substituting the values, we get area of sector as 231 centimeter square. Very simple question. Then finding the area of shaded region. The or question, area of shaded region is what? Area of square ABCD minus 4 times the quadrant or 1/4 of area of circle. 4 and 4 will cancels. Area of square is what? A square, that is length into length. Area of circle is pi r square. Substituting, we get 42 square centimeter. Question number 33. We need to find out the area of canvas used for making the tent, which is equal to what? Area of CS of cylinder plus CS of cone. Now to find out the CS of cylinder, given h equals 2.1 meters, r equals 2 centimeters, c of cylinder is what? 2 pi rh. We get, don't substitute the value of pi at the end, you can substitute. Therefore we get CS of cylinder as 8.4 pi meter square. Now CS of cone is 2 pi RL. Substituting the values, we get 5.6 5.6 pi square meters. Now area of canvas used is what? 8.4 pi plus 5.6 pi. Pi and pi is common, take that out. 8.4 plus 5.6, we get 22 by 7, 14, we get 44 meter square. Therefore the area of canvas used is what? 44 meter square. Now moving to solving the linear equation graphically, we get the solution x equals 3 and y equals 2. First you need to form the table with coordinates of x and y, and if you plot, you'll get the value x equals 3 and y equals 2. Students, all this I have explained in detail in my previous videos. You can check that out. Question number 35. We need to find out the speed, average speed of passenger train and express train. I'll assume the speed of passenger train as x km per hour, speed of express train as x plus 11 km per hour. Now speed equals distance by time. In case 1 for passenger train, the time t1 equals distance by speed 132 by speed is x here for passenger train. For express train it is t2 equals 132, distance will be same. The speed is what? X plus 11. The difference of these two trains is what? The difference of these two trains in timings is 1 hour. Therefore t1 minus t2 equals 1 hour. That is t1 is 132 by x minus 132 by x plus 11, cross multiplication, and taking common 132 we get and simplifying we get the quadratic equation x square plus 11x minus 1000 By factorization method I have solved. I got the x equals 33 kilometers per hour, or you can say, you can use the quadratic formula also, you'll get. Now speed of passenger train is 33 km per hour, speed of express train is 44 km per hour. Take the LCM or butterfly method, and simplifying we get the quadratic equation x square minus 3x plus 2 equals 0. By solving this we get x equals 1 and x equals 2. Question number 36. Question from applications of trigonometry. In triangle, students, we need to find out the length of PD plus BD, so that we'll get the length of PB. So to get the length of PB, we should find out PD. So in triangle PDC, find out the length PD, that is 7.3. Now DB is what? DB will be 4.7 feet, because they have given as 9.4 feet. Divided by 2 we get 4.7 feet. Now PB equals PD plus DB, that is 22 feet. Again in triangle PBA, if we apply tan ratio, we get the AB as 22 feet. Now the height of conical tomb will be AE is equal to AB minus EB. EB will be equal to 10 feet. AB is 22, 22 minus 10 is 12 feet. The height of the conical tomb is 12 feet. Question number 37. Construction of similar triangles with scale factor less than 1. AB is 5, BC is 7 and CA equals 6 centimeter. This is how you get the figure. Students, you can practice as many questions based on the model paper released by KSEEB and the preparatory paper. Definitely you can score good marks. I'll try to post the worksheets and I'll try to solve the preparatory papers from different districts, which will be useful for your exam. Question number 38, that is state and prove Pythagoras theorem, important 5-mark question. Students, thank you for watching the video. Do subscribe the channel